How to make and publish Instagram Reels in Meta Business Suite. For this, you need to go to business.facebook.com and log into your account. Now, make sure that your Instagram is connected with your Facebook, because if that is not connected, then you will not be able to continue. Now, once you have been connected, here on this homepage, you want to click on More. Once you click on More, you're going to find three options. Click on Create Reel. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this page right here. So as you can see, both your Facebook and Instagram are connected. Now you want to click on Add Video. So from your gallery, choose the video in which you want to post the reel. Now here on the right hand side, you're going to see the Instagram Reel preview. So it's going to look something like this. Now over here, you can also add sounds. You can also add caption, but that is optional. Now you can click on the edit button and there will be various options that you can edit. So here you can add audio, you can crop the reel as well. Now these are the options provided by default. You can also search for audio if you wanted to. Once you've done that, you can click on Next. And now here you can schedule the option of sharing. So you can choose to share now. You can also schedule or just save as draft. You can also choose the privacy of the reel if you want to make it public or private. After that, click on Next and then click on Share. And this is how you make and publish Instagram Reels in Meta Business Suite. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.